Welcome back to Footings to Finish. It's essentially season 2. We're moving on from season 1 where we built the beautiful Hunter model, our $1 million home, and we are here at the Riley. My buyers are building this home. I can't wait to show you this floor plan. You haven't seen it at all yet. Come on in. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and you found Footings to Finish season 2. The first thing we're going to take a look at, once again, we have the 3-bay garage with the high ceilings, not as high as lot 6 that we saw, but still our standard garages are still plenty big for lots of storage. From the garage, there's actually going to be a mudroom here, and then there'll be stairs up into the main floor. When you walk into the main floor, you have this beautiful picture window, and you have this open concept space. The kitchen is going to be here to the right, and then of course you have your large living room. Take a look at this. Will be a slider that goes out to the back deck. And we spin around here. We have all the kitchen will be here, refrigerator to the left. And this is a butler's pantry, so there'll be uppers and lowers to the right here. And then this will be a little pantry closet. And this moves in to what'll be the dining room at the front of the house. And it walks over here to the foyer. This will be the front door. Spinning around to the entryway of the house. It's a good size, and there's no stairs when you first walk in. To the right will be an office space, and then we'll move into half bath here, off to the left, and again, that open concept living room. Let's go upstairs. Moving out into the hallway, the entire back, well, this is the laundry room. Let's stop here. Dedicated laundry room on the second floor. It's a huge footprint. This entire back of the house is all of the master primary suite. So you have big windows here, this footprint, big enough for couch, sofa. Then you move in here to a enormous bathroom. You'll have double sinks here along this wall. You will have a linen closet here. This will be the shower below the 2 windows, and then a lovely soaking tub here. And wait till you see the best part. We're gonna move into, this is the walk-in closet. Look at how big this is. Incredible. Down at the end of the hallway, this is gonna be an incredible teen suite. It's another massive bedroom, and it also features its own ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. If you run out of room with the 3,000 square feet that is this house, have no fear, because now I'm heading up to the 3rd floor, which can be finished if you choose, or you can just finish this space at a later time. It's got really high ceilings. It could also be a really great room for a pool table. This Riley home plan is for $950,000. And one thing that makes our homes different than everybody else out there is that includes everything. You can build a beautiful, well-appointed home because that price includes your allowances for things like lighting, flooring, tile, appliances, granite, you name it. So unless you go absolutely over budget, we've given you really juicy, generous allowances to build a beautiful home here at Oakland Ridge Estates. And update, we only have 5 lots left, so please reach out if you're interested in starting a new construction home journey. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass. Join me next week for another episode of Footings to Finish, where we will be working on this model through completion. I can't wait to give you a tour right before the buyers moved in, just like last season. And if you haven't watched season 1, you can check it out on my playlist. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this with a friend. And don't forget to tune in next Wednesday for another episode of Footings to Finished, Season 2.